Unit 23. Exercise 1. Organic chemistry is the part of chemistry that is concerned with the compounds of carbon. That one element can command a whole division is evidence of carbon's pregnant mediocrity. Carbon lies at the midpoint of the periodic table, the chemist's map of chemical properties of the elements, and is largely indifferent to the relationships it enters into. In particular, it is content to bond to itself. As a result of its mild and unaggressive character, it is able to form chains and rings of startling complexity. Startling complexity is exactly what organisms need if they are to be regarded as being alive, and thus the compounds of carbon are the structural and reactive infrastructure of life. So extensive are the compounds of carbon, currently numbering in the millions, that it is not surprising that a whole branch of chemistry has evolved for their study and has developed special techniques, systems of nomenclature, and attitudes. Exercise 2. Humans have used borax for more than 4,000 years. Since the 1800s, it has been mined near Death Valley, California. Dirt cheap, borax has many industrial uses, but in the home it is used as a natural laundry cleaning booster, multi-purpose cleaner, fungicide, herbicide, and disinfectant. Off-white, odorless, and alkaline, borax crystals can be mixed with other cleaning agents for added power. Although you certainly wouldn't want to eat it, borax is relatively safe and is quite effective without being toxic. It is useful in a lot of the ways that baking soda is, but it's stronger and disinfects more, so it's good for mold, mildew, and deeper dirt. In general, use baking soda first, and use borax only in situations where something stronger is needed. It will enable you to get even stubborn stains clean without resorting to toxic chemicals. Borax should not be used where it might get into food, and it should be safely stored out of the reach of children and pets. Exercise 3. There would be much less to say were it not for space probes that have visited the giant planets and their moons. Exploration began with flybys, missions that flew past the planet, but has moved on to the stage of orbital tours in the case of Jupiter and Saturn, which have each had a mission that orbited the planet for several years and that was able to make repeated close flybys of at least the regular satellites. Close flybys of moons enable detailed imaging and usually take the probe close enough to see how the moon affects the strong magnetic field surrounding the planet, and to detect whether the moon also has its own magnetic field. The size of the slight deflection to a probe's trajectory as it passes close to a moon enables the moon's mass to be determined. Knowing the moon's size, it is then easy to work out its density.